This is the Oppo Realme 1. It's the first budget mid-ranger by Oppo's sub-brand, and it competes with Xiaomi's price-conscious Redmi lineup. The first thing you'll see in the box is a smaller box with a free case and some instructions. Under it is the phone. Our version has a diamond black finish, and it's more subtle than the marketing materials suggest. Other than that, there's a micro USB charging cable, a wall adapter, and a SIM ejector tool. Now that the Realme 1 is in our hands, let's see what it's like and check out its key features. Number 1. Flashy design. The glass back has a multi-layer design and it looks really catchy. The geometric patterns are supposed to reflect light in an interesting way, but on the black version, the effect is quite subdued and often really hard to see. You won't find a fingerprint reader here, but there's a super fast face unlock to make up for it. At least the bases are covered with a headphone jack and an FM radio. Number 2. Big screen. The Realme 1 has a 6-inch Full HD IPS display with an 18:9 aspect ratio. It looks good, and we're thankful it doesn't come with a notch. Number 3. Power-efficient chipset with AI. The power-efficient Helio P60 chipset is about as powerful as the Snapdragon 625 you'll find in the Xiaomi Mi A1, and it should handle most games without a hitch. Of course, on the version with 6 GB of RAM, multitasking will probably be a bit smoother. There are also versions with 3 GB and 4 GB of RAM. The 3400 mAh battery should allow for great battery life, especially if the AI really helps in background process management, as they say it does. Unfortunately, even if the Realme 1 lasts for ages, there's only a regular charger instead of one with quick charging. Number 4. Latest Android. The phone features ColorOS 5.0, which is built on Android 8.1. There's no need for navigation buttons, since the OS includes a bunch of gestures. But you can also switch back to using the on-screen buttons at the bottom. Number 5. Camera. The Realme 1 features a single 13-megapixel camera on the back and an 8-megapixel camera on the front. You can take portrait photos with a defocused background with both cameras. Thanks to the hardware AI acceleration, it can recognize a bunch of different scenes in real time and adjust camera settings. Oppo phones are usually very good at taking selfies, so we're curious to see what the camera will be capable of at this price point. Speaking of price points, the base version of the Realme 1 will run for around $130 US. For a budget mid-ranger, this phone offers a lot, but we'll see just how good it really is after some in-depth testing. If you'd like us to answer anything in particular in the full review, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and subscribe so you won't miss it.